If your Android phone has started feeling slow, laggy, or just not as responsive as it used to be, there's a simple tweak that can make a noticeable difference without installing any extra apps. A couple of hidden settings inside your phone can help it feel lighter, faster, and more responsive in everyday use. Step 1. Limit background processes. Developer options. First, you need to unlock developer options on your phone. Open settings and scroll down to About Phone. Inside, tap Software Information. Now look for the build number and tap it 7 times continuously. After a few taps, enter your PIN or password if prompted. You'll see a message saying that developer mode has been enabled. If prompted, enter your PIN or password to confirm. Once done, go back to the main settings menu. Scroll down to find developer options, usually near the bottom. Inside developer options, scroll until you reach the apps section. Tap on background process limit. Here you'll see several choices. Select at most 1 or 2 processes or the lowest option available. This reduces how many apps can run in the background, freeing up RAM and improving speed and responsiveness. Your phone will focus more on the app you're currently using instead of running too many tasks at once. Step 2. Reduce or disable animations. Still inside developer options, scroll to the drawing section. You will find 3 important settings: window animation scale, transition animation scale, animator duration scale. Tap each one and change the value to 0.5x for faster transitions. If you want maximum speed, set them to animation off. Reducing animations makes your phone feel instantly faster because menus, apps, and screens open without delay effects. After applying both steps, your Android device will feel significantly smoother, more responsive, and quicker in everyday use. Apps will switch faster, scrolling will feel lighter, and overall performance will improve noticeably, especially on older or budget phones. It's a simple tweak, but it can make your phone feel brand new again without installing any extra apps.